Hey guys, what is the status of the production move of the last sprint? Oh Major, there were so many severe to one bugs and we had to recommend a no to the production move. We had copied you on the mail that we have sent. Had you seen the mail?
It was not coded in the way that I had actually told. I had given specific instructions on what the standard should be followed. It was not. That's the reason why we are having these bugs. There are ways to handle exceptions and there were ways to handle the logs that had to be there and the user experience, and that was not absolutely followed. I don't know whether the business analyst missed it or whether the UX guy missed it, but when I look at the code, I don't see that happening. There are a couple of things. We did as per the standards given there only. There are not too many details in the architecture document. And even when we followed it last time in the production, it actually bombed. Okay, so there are some things we had to change. The architecture doesn't cover all scenarios. So we have to go through and make some changes. Okay, so that is one thing that we have done. So you can't say that it was a bug because of that. And second, wherever it is needed, we have followed everything in the solution architecture. And major, by the way, the testing didn't take the right version from the QA environment, right? They didn't test in the QA environment. They've gone and tested some other environment and they haven't taken the right build that we have given to them. So I think, no, so that the problem is because of that wrong version being taken.
Just follow the release notes you have sent to test and use the link given in the release notes, man. Don't point fingers at us.
When you get a latest build from the environment, you have to make sure that it is okay. Without that, you take a wrong version and test it, okay? And you hold me responsible. That cannot be. The latest application is in the QA environment. You took the wrong version and tested it. Obviously, you'll have more bugs. Check with the right version and then you will save your effort and we can save all our time instead of going this back and forth if you just test it with the right version.
So you mean to say we have to test the release notes also? Come on, this is ridiculous.
Debbie, please listen. No. There are specific elements in the solution architecture which I have given, which takes care of cases like this and it has to be followed. There are code samples also given in the solution architecture. There are also modules that had to be there. All you had to do was reuse those samples and use some of those reusable components. It's just not followed. You just write something, pick some code from Google and copy paste it inside. This is how it happens. No. Don't say the architecture doesn't have that. It actually handles this. Okay, no, you can't generally say, oh, architecture didn't have and blame the architect for it. No, sorry, I won't. Grow up. Take responsibility for what you have done.
I just wanted to know whether it has been moved to production or not. I need to inform the client. Clincy has been after me to know the status. Clincy? Major, the code has been moved to production and the on-set manager has been updated already. We thought you were asking about the Magis project. What?